Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to filter pictures on Android. Here are the steps to filter pictures on Android using the Google Photos app, a common built-in or downloadable app. So first, open the Google Photos app. Launch the Google Photos from your app drawer or home screen. Grant permissions if prompted. Allow access to your media if this is your first time opening the app. Choose a photo, browse your gallery and tap the picture you want to filter. Tap the edit icon. It's the sliders icon, usually at the bottom. Go to filter section. You'll see several default filters like West, Warm, Vivid, etc. Scroll through filter options. Swipe left or right to preview different filter styles. Tap a filter to apply. Select a filter that enhances your photo. Adjust filter intensity. Tap the filter again to open the intensity slider, then adjust as needed. Then hit done. Make additional edits. Use tools like crop, adjust brightness, contrast, or saturation. Preview changes. Tap and hold the photo to compare the original with the filtered version. Tap Save Copy. This saves the edited version without affecting the original. Find the filtered photo. Go back to your Photos tab to see the edited image saved. Share or set as wallpaper. Tap the photo, then tap Share icon to send or use it as your background. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.